Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to use Coinbase Pro to save a little extra money on fees. So there's a few extra steps than the regular Coinbase platform, but it's well worth it as you get more immersed in it. So first we got to send money over, and so right now I'm in the regular Coinbase platform. I have my bank account already linked up. Now I'm just going to put in a dollar amount to put in to deposit into Coinbase. So you can do ACH or wire or debit card on Coinbase. And here's the wire information where you'd wire funds to. Debit card is the quickest if you're able to. ACH it's bank to bank, so it takes 3 to 5 business days. So wire is the fastest, but it's the most expensive. So here we go. I'm just going to do ACH just for demonstration purposes. So I'm able to buy right away, but I'm just not able to move it around to other crypto wallets or Bitcoin wallets. So I've begun the transfer of funds to Coinbase. Like I've said previously, any US dollar balance on Coinbase is FDIC insured. Okay, now we're going to navigate our way over to Coinbase Pro. You should be able to find it and the products on the main page for Coinbase, but if not, just type it in your search engine like Google Coinbase Pro and log in that way. And there we go, Coinbase Pro. This is the traded interface for traders who trade Bitcoin and crypto. And again, our purposes here are just to save money on fees. So don't get intimidated by this. So we'll start with the deposit. We have Bitcoin USD selected, and see here we can write into Coinbase Pro, we can do ACH deposit or a wire transfer or transfer US dollars from Coinbase.com. And we're going to do the third option because it's easier, or it should be easier anyway. So I'll go ahead and deposit some cash into here, some US dollars. And transfer between Coinbase to Coinbase Pro is free and instant. Let's check out limits real quick. All right, here's some of the limits for Coinbase Pro. If you want to read through it, go ahead. Just for informational purposes, it's pretty similar to Coinbase.com, so pretty sure it's the same. As your limits grow, so will the limits grow on Coinbase Pro and Coinbase. So Coinbase is more like user-friendly for the masses, and Coinbase Pro is more, like I said, for more experienced traders. But like I said, don't be intimidated by it. There's a lot of information to digest if you've never seen order books for tradable assets. All right, now that the funds have cleared on Coinbase.com from my bank account, I'm going to initiate the deposit or the transfer from Coinbase.com to Coinbase Pro in this interface. So we'll just go to that third option like I talked about previously and deposit. So we'll just go ahead and click it. And you see here Coinbase.com to the default portfolio, and then you can put in whatever dollar amount you have deposited, but I'm just going to move it over, dollar amount I have in there. Hit deposit, and then now it's ready to be used here on Coinbase Pro. So I'm going to now show you how to buy Bitcoin on this exchange. So we're just going to do a simple market order and type in 100. You can see right there on 100 it's a 50-cent fee. Now I'm just going to complete an order on purse. So yeah, let's see here. So I have my order about to just getting it ready here. That's the Bitcoin amount I need to buy, so it's just under 110, you see there. So I'm just gonna set my dollar amount in Bitcoin at 110. There's the actual fraction of a Bitcoin needed to complete it. Alright, so now we're putting it to 110. You see the fee right there is 55 cents. Just double checking them, have it lined up. And yeah, it looks good. So for our purposes here, we're just going to do a market order to keep it simple. There are other orders, limit and stop. For our purposes, again, we're going to keep it simple, just do market order for this small amount. So go ahead and hit buy order and it'll get filled instantly. Now we're just going to go to the phone and transfer and show you that it's basically the same. The Coinbase Pro app. So go to Bitcoin USD pair like I am here and move the chart to the 1-day candlestick chart. And we'll go ahead and hit the buy button and set the type of order to market. So just make it easier. And then here, same thing, we can add the dollar amount in Bitcoin to whatever we want, or do percentages like it says at the bottom of the dollar amount we have on the platform for Coinbase. Alright, so now you see that I already made the purchase on Coinbase Pro on the website. So now we're going to move it over to Coinbase.com. It moves instantly, and with it being on Coinbase.com, it'll make it easier to move Bitcoin around via a QR code to scan. So yeah, we'll just hit that max order, that maximum amount that's on Coinbase Pro and Bitcoin, and send it right over to Coinbase.com. And it's an instant process. And boom, now it's in my Coinbase.com account. You can see it's gone. It's off. That Bitcoin I purchased is off of Coinbase Pro now. Now that I have the Bitcoin over on Coinbase.com, I can use the app to scan that QR code on purse to complete that order. At least to pay for it, I mean. So now I'm going to open up Coinbase.com, the app, on my phone, and we're going to send it over to the wallet address on purse to pay for the Amazon order. Okay, so now we're in Bitcoin. So now I'll just send it all over. Alright, and scan that code on the computer. Boom. There we go. So that's the wallet address. I'll just make a note of it that it's purse. It's for the purse order. And go ahead and hit send. Make sure they all match up. Again, QR code scanning is pretty accurate. So yeah, now it's on its way. Coinbase right now is estimating a 30-minute time for the transaction to move from wallet to wallet. And that's it. That's how we save money on buying Bitcoin on Coinbase. Instead of paying 5% in Coinbase.com, you pay 0.5%. So that's kind of a big disparity there. But yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching.